Hi guys, my name is Nirav, and in this video we are going to learn about sheet metal operations and how to reduce the waste and maximize efficiency in mainly two sheet metal operations like laser cutting and folding. Okay, to move forward, let's see the factors that contribute to the material waste and see how we can improve that. So the factor number one is one of the most common factor that is responsible for having a larger amount of waste in the sheet metal operations, and that factor is design error and measurement error. Lots of time I have seen that the designers have no idea about how the products is getting manufactured, and that actually leads to a problem having inaccurate information provided to the team of the workshop, and that can further down lead a big issue in the production and getting more production waste. Another issue that we have found is there are normally in engineering workshop there are two teams. Either one team gets the measurements and the other team works on the measurement and delivers it to the workshop. So when we get an inaccurate measurement, there is nothing wrong that has been done by the workshop, nothing done in the designing office either. But if the measurements are wrong to start with, that is the source of the error, and we should try to minimize that. So to reduce that error, quick think, just double check the measurements. Always double check the measurement, get it verified by your supervisor, and then double check when the measurements are passed on correctly or not. So the next topic would be a suboptimal tooling and not good maintenance of the material. Sometimes materials are not maintained very well, and there would be an error because the materials are not maintained well. For example, if you are doing something in water jet cutting, if there is a small crack on the nozzle of the water jet, that would lead to quite a big variations over the time, and that we can only realize that error when it is too late. For example, something has been cut and folded and welded, and after that when it goes to the side, then we realize that it is not what we wanted, because it is sometime few mils difference is all that it takes to make a big mistake, and we have to remake the whole thing. So then we will have to recheck laser or water jet, folding, welding, then powder coat. So all those resources could be saved if main machines and equipments are maintained correctly. So the next factors contributing to the increasing waste would be inefficient planning and improper training. So if there is no proper planning done prior to the manufacturing of that part or product, that would lead into really big material wastage and wastage of resources. To give you an example, let's say we have made a table and it has two parts in it. So the top part is 2 mil thick and the bottom part is 3 mil thick. Just to take this into perspective of resource wastage, we can see that 2 mil and 3 mil in price there wouldn't be much difference, but when you put that on a laser or on a press brake, it would take extra setup time, it would take extra resources to manage and handle the material. So all those kind of resources that you could have saved in just one set of thickness, that would help a lot in cost saving and increasing the efficiency. So just to give you this example, we will have to laser cut 2 mil first, then take the sheet off, put the 3 mil sheet on, then cut it again. The same path goes to folding. So folding will have to fold 2 mil first, then they will have to change the setup to set it for 3 mil, and then it will go to 3 mil setup. So we have practically wasted approximately 20 minutes each in just handling the material, which could have been saved if both the materials are made of the same metal or same thickness. The next factor that contributes to the wastage of material and resources would be inefficient training and lack of software usage. Nowadays we have so many advanced softwares. We have CNC programs, we have CNC lathes, we have CNC laser cutting machine, we have CNC press brake, CNC water jet. All those machines can be simulated in a computer before actually putting them onto the production. So if you can see that something can be folded on a computer, that means it can be folded on a machine. Sometimes it does take a skill to do some complicated fold, but that's about it. If we can make it simple, we can make it better. So the first rule and rule of thumb, if it is simple, less resources required and less training required. Keep it simple, keep it easy, keep it fast. Hi guys, that would be all for today. I will see you in my next video.